Okay, here's how the floors turned out.
All right, guys, we're done. Here she is. If you will recall, when we first got here, it was dull and just kind of looked a little scratched like, but it was just the finish because the topical coating that was put on this travertine was actually scratched, not the actual travertine. So the reason that happens is because topical coating is just that. It's a coating that's put right on top of your floors, and it doesn't sink in because travertine is not as porous as everybody thinks. So it just sort of sits on top, and the minute you move across a piece of furniture, it scuffs the finish. So also it grabs tons and tons of dirt, and you just can't get that off with regular mopping. You have to strip that sealer, whatever, that topical coating off, use buffers and like a big rinse extraction machine so that you can get it all off, and then you can go from there with polishing it up. So this client really wanted a high shine, so that's what we gave him. I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of this video as Wayne walks down the hallways to show you the different areas. And as always, thanks for watching.